Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the hands-on over here. It's about the different EC2 instance types over here. So we're gonna understand and compare some of the EC2 instance type. Open your AWS console and open EC2 instance. Now you should find the EC2 instance over here. So here, just click on instance type and you should get to this page. Now, if you select any of this instance, you're going to get some detail about this instance. For example, it will tell you the family name and the size. It will not tell you whether it is a general type or a compute optimized or anything like that. You just need to figure it out yourself by the family name. What you can find towards the details over here is that you can see the type of instance, family, size, and then what hypervisor is used for creating this instance. You can also see some supported root device like EBS, Elastic Block Storage will be the root file system. The core operating system will be installed on EBS. Whether it is a dedicated host or on-demand hibernation support. Likewise, you see some details over here. And then here you see some details towards your compute. You can see the architecture. You can also see the memory size over here, how many virtual CPUs would be assigned for this particular virtual machine. You can also see the networking over here. So this could be part of any of this availability zone. And you can see the network performance is very low. So this particular machine is T1 micro. So that's the reason why it is all like low configuration. Here on the storage information, you can see that elastic block storage is given over here and it is supported, and encryption on elastic block storage is supported. And in terms of GPU, there is no GPU enabled at this moment. And you can see the pricing as well. So here, on-demand Linux pricing is 0.02 USD per hour. So say pricing is the same. RHEL pricing is a little high. And you can see the Windows price is almost the same as the Linux pricing as well. So let's just go to the last page. Let's go to the last one and then compare the last one over here. So now I'm on the last page right now. So this particular machine is $13 an hour. So let's see. Oh, there is $26 an hour as well. Okay, so let's see why it is costing $26 an hour over here. So first, let's go to the details over here. This is X2 IEDN metal. So that's the family name over here. Let's talk about the compute. So it has like 64 cores, which means like 182 virtual CPUs and that is 182 CPUs, meaning like two threads per core. And you can see that it has about 4,096 GB of memory. So it's about 4 terabytes of memory you have over here. And let's talk about networking. So it is 100 gigabyte of network, which means like really fast. And you have IP address per interface is 50 IP address per interface, and IP address version 6 is also enabled. Let's talk about storage over here. EBS is supported. It comes with 3,800 gigabytes of storage already, and it includes SSD as part of the storage. And you can see that there are two disks is divided for this 3,800 storage. There's no accelerator. There is no GPU over here, and the pricing is $26 for Ubuntu. And then you have option for SUSE Linux and the normal Linux flavors. So it's expensive on Windows, $32 per hour for Windows, and RHCL it's about $27. Likewise, this is one of the like a really high value, virtual machine. But I guess there is even higher value virtual machine as well, which has this GPU in it. So I'm just checking for something with the GPU. So let's talk about some GPU oriented missions. GPU is equal to A16. Okay, so this G6E 24X large. Now this has definitely has GPU over here. So I've clicked on it. So I've come inside this particular machine. So now if you just go down to accelerator, you can see that it has NVIDIA's GPU, which is about 176 GB of memory, GPU memory for graphical processing. And you can see pretty much it is almost the same as the previous one. It has about 768 memory on the system, and you can see this is $15 an hour. But I guess you have options for GPU equal to 16 as well. GPUs equal to 16. Yeah, so now this is going to be much expensive, I believe. And this is about 15. Yeah, it is about $17 Windows pricing over here. But the thing is that it has 16 GPUs over here, about 12 GB RAM of your GPU memory. Likewise, so you have various different configurations on the instance type over here. So if you want to know about the instance type, the best place is to come over here and understand about it. You can also sort it by what is your requirement. So if my storage is the requirement, I can type storage over here, and then I can put a equal to on what size I'm looking for in terms of storage, like 160 GB of storage. Now you have M1 small as well, which has 160 GB of storage available in HHD, and it's costing around 0.075 an hour. Or else you have M3 2X large, which has SSD rather than HDD, and it costs about $1 per hour. But then again, the pricing on the savings plan and reserved instance will be much lesser because you will be actually paying for yearly pricing range. So which means that you're gonna get some discount out of it. Thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you on the next.